If you use the miracle car seatbelt clip, wear the seatbelt will be as comfortable as her and safe. This is a miracle car seatbelt clip. Its patent name is the Instantaneous acceleration locking device for a car seatbelt. This is the front. This is the back. This is the trigger. It is the seatbelt bending head for bending the seatbelt use. You can open the clip with your thumb or a coin. Like this. Then you can install it on the seatbelt. The direction like this. Now clip it and insert the seatbelt into the opening of the two flakes. Then you can close the clip. Now we wear the seatbelt. Connect the buckle and tighten the belly belt. Then pull out the seatbelt 10 centimeters away from your chest. Then you pull out the clip upwards against the seatbelt loop and press the trigger. And the front end will bend down to bend the seatbelt. Then you can drive safely because the front half of the seatbelt is gradually accelerated when the seatbelt is pulled, and when the seatbelt is completely straightened, the rear half of the seatbelt is rapidly pulled, which is instantaneously accelerated. This is an automatic locking device for a car seatbelt. There is a small golden cup in the lower right corner called sensitive ball. It is a balanced installation. Its shell is called the sensitive frame. It will move with the car body. When the car lands to the left, this will jam the seatbelt rollers and lock the seatbelt. Now the car lands to the right. For the same reason, it locks the seatbelt again. Now the front of the car is facing down, locked. Now the front of the car is facing up and locked. In addition, if the car is not tilted, the seatbelt will also be locked when the sensitive ball vibrates violently. So, using instantaneous acceleration is the best way to lock the seatbelt. Now, use the miracle clip to test of emergency braking at various high and low speeds. 10 公里, 10 kilometers per hour. Brake. 20. 20公里. 30. 30公里. 40. 40公里. 50 50公里 60 60公里 70 70公里 80 80公里 90 90公里 100 110 When getting off, pull down the seat belt to move the clip in front of your eyes. Push the clip upwards. The trigger will be released. Drag the clip to the end and then release the seat belt buckle and let go. The seat belt will retract completely. For pregnant woman use, wear the seat belt. Connect the buckle. Adjust the belly belt slightly loose. Clamp the two layers of seat belts tightly together to fix the belly belt. With the bending head facing the buckle. Clamp the two layers of the seat belts together tightly near to the buckle. Now we wear the seat belt. Connect the buckle. Like this. It can prevent the belly belt from tightening sharply during a collision to squeeze the belly and the fetus. For children or people with short stature, wear the seat belt. Clamp the two layers of seat belts near the buckle, with the bending head facing the buckle. And insert the seat belt into the opening of the two flakes. Do not press the trigger immediately. Connect the buckle. Move the clip to adjust the chest belt so that it is away from the child's neck. And then press the trigger firmly. This clip should not be moved exceed the vertical line of the level. Otherwise, the seat belt will slip off the shoulder. This is a child safety seat. The upper end of all child safety seats are loose, although the lower part are tightly fixed, but the upper end are loose. The side seat will fall forward when the collision occurs. It's very dangerous. If it falls too much, the child may rush out from the seat. So, you can use the miracle car seatbelt clip. Then, pull out the seatbelt by 5 centimeters. Push the clip against the seatbelt exit. Press the trigger. Completed. Suppose the collision locked. Upon collision, locked. Very safe.